Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel series from MPowerUrge. So the question is sum of digits when cell contains all numbers, right? So if we put A1 in 89656, okay, so then we will put a formula sum product, okay. So sum product function multiplies ranges or arrays together and returns the sum of the product, okay. Then we need to put like two dashes and then mid. So mid function extracts a given number of characters from the middle of a supplied text string, okay. Then we'll choose where it's located, like it's located in A1. So we'll put A1 comma row. So the row function returns the row number for your reference, okay. Then we'll put like indirect, okay, indirect, and indirect function returns a reference to a range, okay. Then brackets are now open, apostrophe 1, sorry, apostrophe 1 colon apostrophe closed, ampersand, len. The function here will be len, okay. So len function is a text function that returns the length of a string or text, okay. Then we'll simply put like A1 where it's located, A1, then brackets closed, comma 1, and then brackets closed 2 times, then enter. So the sum of 8 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to 37.